It's been a long, hot summer, so I wanted to share with you the top 3 splash parks in the southeast Denver area. You're not going to want to miss them. Hi, this is Jan Parrish with Fabulous Colorado Homes. My third place winner is the Southlands Splash Pad, featured in the middle of Southlands Town Square, right in front of the movie theater. Let me tell you the pros of the Southlands Splash Pad. It's close to food and shopping. There's covered picnic area and lounging spots. There's grassy play area with fun spindles and places to climb for the kids. And it's not super crowded. The cons are there's no privacy because it's right in the middle of town square. Parking is very difficult. And the bathrooms are not conveniently located. You have to cross 2 busy streets to get to the bathroom. My favorite part of the Southland Splash Pad, it's not in the center of town square. It's on the south side of the clock tower. The umbrellas, they're not just for show. It's a great place for kids to play. Little kids love it. And the teenagers might play a little bit too if no one's looking. Overall, the Southland Splash Pad is great fun for a quick splash after a movie or shopping or running errands, but not necessarily an all-day excursion. My number 2 winner is the Red-Tailed Hawk Park. The pros: this is the only handicapped accessible park in the area, which lets kids of all abilities play together without any stigma. There's everything from zip lines to the swing, and they're all handicapped accessible. There's a musical themed sensory experience with a musical archway into the play area, and there's pipes and musical toys to play with. This park is designed with safety in mind, and the playground is cushioned and soft and rubbery. There's picnic tables nearby, there's volleyball, there's bocce ball, there's horseshoe, and the restrooms are right near the splash parks for super easy access. There's AstroTurf to camp out on. I've seen people bring picnic baskets, blankets, small little tents. There's great parking, and it's never too busy. The cons were hard for me to come up with, but I finally came up with a few. And they are that the shady spots get taken quickly, so get there early. And the water cycles out a little bit every hour. But overall, this is one of my favorite places to take the grandkids. It's just a fabulous place to go and have fun with the kids. My number 1 spot for the top splash park in all of Southeast Denver is the Centennial Center Park. You absolutely have to visit. There are so many exciting splash zones at all different levels. Even the adults are intrigued enough to get in. Not only is the splash park phenomenal, but the rest of the park is as well. From the tree houses to the climbing walls, there's lots of shade for those who want to get out of the sun, and there are picnic tables and places to grill, the fabulous cityscape views, the restrooms are right there, and it's just a great place to go and spend the entire day. Cons, also very hard for me to come up with, but I came with a few, and one is that it can be crowded, it can be difficult to find parking, and for me it's a little further out. These are the top 3 splash parks in all of Southeast Denver. And did I mention they're free? If you have a chance to go to one or all of them before summer's end, you'll be glad you did. Until next time, this is Jan Parrish. Go forth and be fabulous.